Essential qualifications for supply chain management. Aside from the skills, experience, and other credentials needed to excel in supply chain management, several essential qualifications need to be considered. Here are some of the qualifications that are necessary to become a successful supply chain manager. Bachelor's degree in supply chain management, operations, or a related field. Ability to read and understand technical documents. Knowledge of supply chain processes and procedures. Strong problem-solving and analytical skills. Excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. Understanding of global markets and international trends. Experience with Microsoft Office Suite and other relevant software applications. Ability to multitask and prioritize workloads. Having these qualifications will give you an edge over your competition, allowing you to stand out from the rest regarding supply chain management positions. With this knowledge, you'll be well on your way to landing a successful supply chain manager job. With these qualifications, you'll excel in supply chain roles. Learn more about supply chain management jobs in our previous video.